Hello, Mabel and Charlie. Charlie and Mabel. I don't know which order that should go in. But anyway, hope you both are doing great. Just want to review, what we talked about on Wednesday. Well, Mabel, what we talked about. And Charlie, I know you can watch this and learn from this. Um, but anyway, if we look at the numbers, what we're looking at this week is either using the strategy, keeping a constant difference, or knowing when you don't need to use that strategy or any other strategy for that matter, and really starting to recognize the difference. So if I had 37 M&Ms and I lost 15, how many M&Ms do I have left? Well, if I think about that, if I have 7 lose 5, that would just be 2 M&Ms. If I had 30, right, that's 3 tens and 1 10. So 30 M&Ms and 1 M&M, so that'd give me, so I would know that I have a total of 22 M&Ms that I'm missing. So I don't need a strategy for that. Now for this next one, if I had 2 lose 7, oh wait a second, that forces me into a strategy or forces me to borrow. So let's use a strategy. I know keeping a constant difference, well if I think about 37 is only 3 away from 40. So that gives me a 0 to work with, which if I take anything away from 0, it's itself. So then keeping a constant difference, I add 3 here. So it gets me to 85. So when I look at this, I say, wait a second, 5. So if let's say this, we're dealing with the rocks. If I had 82 rocks and I lost 37, how many do I have left? Well, if I have 5 lose 0, that's 5. And if I have 80 lose 40, I have 4. So that's a total of 45. So that's where keeping a constant difference might work. Another way to look at keeping a constant difference, if I had 5 lose 8, that doesn't work out. So let me add 2. Let me add 2. So it gives me 137, and that gives me 70. Now what's neat about these type of problems is recognizing, well, if I have 137, let's say Skittles, and I lose 70 Skittles, well, 7 Skittles and I don't lose any, well I still have 7 Skittles. But if I have 3 Skittles and lose 7, wait a second, I'm back to a negative number. But isn't this though, couldn't I look at this, isn't there 13 here? Right? Because technically that's 130 plus 7. The same as this is 70 plus 0, if I did it in an expanded form. So if I think about that, if I have 13 tens and I take away 7 tens, well, 7 goes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that gives me an answer of 6 tens or 60. So we know the answer would be 67. So I can still use keeping a constant difference. I just need to recognize that I'm not looking at the 3 as 3 tens, I'm looking at 13 tens. That's where the difference is when we look at 3-digit to 2-digit subtraction. So hopefully this helps you a little bit with the work this week. And I look forward to having you bring it in, and we'll have some fun next Wednesday. Thank you.